Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite summer desserts of all time, key lime pie. For the base, we're making a sweet graham cracker crust with graham cracker crumbs, white sugar, and 6 tablespoons of melted butter. For the full measurements, you can look in the description box below, but it has never failed me. You are going to come out with the best graham cracker crust each time. Side note, this does make 2 crusts, so you're going to use one now, save the other one later. So press it down into a pan and bake it until it's golden. For the key lime juice, I'm just going to use Nellie and Joe's. If you guys can find fresh key lime juice, more power to you. Definitely go with that. But if you can't, which I cannot find it anywhere, you can use this and it's the perfect substitute. It works just as well. So I'm combining 5 egg yolks. It's going to make your pie really custardy and rich. 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, and then just half a cup of the key lime juice. A lot of recipes use 1 cup. For me, that is way too tart and overpowering. Half a cup is kind of the perfect ratio here. So you're just going to keep mix until it combines into this rich, thicker custard, almost like a pudding. And pour that on top of your already baked graham cracker crust. Keep your oven at 350 because we're going to pop that pie right back in the oven, 15 minutes until it sets. And while it cools, we can make the whipped cream. So I have some heavy cream, about a cup or so, and I'm adding sugar to it. I don't like it to be too sweet, so I'll add 1 to 2 tablespoons and kind of taste along the way. And I'm adding some pure vanilla bean. That's the vanilla bean paste. Remember, use the paste if you want to see those little specks of bean. Use the extract if you don't. And just whip it until it becomes cream. Pop it on top of your cooled pie. Make sure the pie is cool or your whipped cream is just going to melt right off. And add some fresh lime zest right on top. This is one of the easiest desserts of all time. There's no way you can mess it up. There's no way it's not going to be delicious. I hope you guys have the chance to try this version out. Recipe again is right down below. You can screenshot and cook right along. Hope you guys have a delicious day, and I'll see you next time.